Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to pay Betterment fees online. We'll cover what these fees are, the advantages of paying electronically, and what you need to have ready before you start. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly and efficiently from your home or office, saving you valuable time and effort. Get ready to simplify your payment experience today. Before you begin, find your official Betterment fee notice. It contains crucial details. You'll need your property identification and a valid payment method, like a credit card or bank account information. Then, access the designated government or municipal online payment portal. Ensure you are on the official website to protect your personal and financial data. Once on the portal, enter your unique Betterment fee identification number, usually found on your notice. Carefully verify that the displayed outstanding amount matches your records. Next, choose your preferred payment method from the available options. Review all details one final time before confirming and submitting your payment securely. It's a straightforward process. After successful submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Make sure to save this number for your records. It's also wise to print or download a copy of your payment receipt. Note the estimated time for your payment to post to your account. Keeping these records organized will be helpful for any future inquiries or tax purposes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.